Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 282. And if we start with this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so 1, 5. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 8. No help here. 1, 5, 8, 9. Nope, sorry, we have that 5 here. And 1 and 5 here, so 8, 9. So if we look, the only place in that column the 5 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. We've got 2, 3, and 6 here, so this is our 4, 3 and 6 here, so this is our 2, 6 here, so 3, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 6, but I don't see any other help. So 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 5 here, so 7, 8. 2 here, 7 here, so 5, 8. 7 here, so 2, 5, 8. 2 and 7 here, so 5, 8. So now if we look, the only place the 7 can be in that box is here, and the only place the 2 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 2 here, so this is our 1. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 4, 6, and no help here. 3, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5. No help here. 1, 4, 5. 4 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 8. That means the only place the 1 can be in this row is here. And that 1 makes this our 4, 1. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this top row now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 8. Same here, 6, 8. And that means the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. No help here. 1, 4, 5, 8. 1 here, so 4, 5, 8. 4 and 8 here, so 1, 5. 4 here, so 1, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got 4, 5, and 8 here. So this is our 7. 4 here, so 5, 8. So that means the only place the 4 can be in that column is here. And with that 4, we can get rid of this 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so 3, 5, 1, 5, and 7 here. So this is our 3, that makes this our 5, 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 5, 8. That 1 and 8 makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 4, 1. Let's see, that 5 makes this our 8, 5, 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 9, 8, 9. This 8 makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 4. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this box now, we're just missing a 1. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.